Longhorns came through here on their way up to the Chisholm Trail. Now, after the Civil War here in the U.S., our economy was pretty much ruined down here in Texas. We didn't have much anything of value, except we had about 6 million Longhorns. We only had about 700,000 people. We got more cattle than people in the state. One thing is the cattle only worth about $1 a head. It's about $20 today. No railroads to speak of, no way to get them anywhere. We got 6 cows for a person in the north and 1 cow for 6 people because they had fed their Union Army, their cattle. The guys that were raising cattle were all fighting the war, so their herds died out. $40 a head for them. So we round them up, we put reins on them, we put them into herds of about 2,000 head, and we point them north. Now the movies, you see a bunch of middle-aged guys driving cattle. That's not the way it was. The average age was 15 to 17 years old. There were a bunch of teenagers. There were boys, but they became men on the trail. The youngest on record was 9 years old, because the men hadn't come back from the Civil War yet. So your trail boss, they used to let water. They'd go into town, a little part of town called Elsap Acre, 2.5 miles south, and that's where the water gardens and the convention center is today. And you can find anything you wanted there. It's just like going to Las Vegas. They'd replenish the chuck wagon, get more supplies, get something to eat besides beans and biscuits, dance with a pretty lady, do some gambling, some drinking, whatever, sleep in a real bed instead of on the ground.
No, primero que le dieron. El otro no va a poner lo que están mandando ahí. There they come. Old horn. All right. Forward. There they come. The real thing. Look at that beauty. Yeah, that's your way. Come on.